Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of e-readers and note-taking tablets with the Onyx Boox Air 3C. Now, this device has been generating some buzz lately as an alternative to the Kindle Scribe and remarkable tablets. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Alright folks, let's kick off this review by talking about the design of the Onyx Boox Air 3C. Straight out of the box, you can tell this is a sleek and premium device. It's incredibly slim at just 5.3 mm thick and boasts a large 10.3-inch screen. The aluminum build feels sturdy and the overall aesthetics are quite pleasing. Now, one thing to note is that while the size of the Air 3C is great for reading and note-taking, it does make it feel more like a mid-sized tablet than a traditional e-reader. However, this does come with the benefit of ample grip space, which is essential for comfortable one-handed use. Speaking of the screen, this is where the Onyx Boox Air 3C truly shines. It features a color e-ink display, which is a rarity in the e-reader market. Now, don't expect vibrant colors like you'd see on a smartphone or tablet, but the color reproduction here is impressive for an e-reader. It's sharp, clean, and makes reading graphic novels and comics a joy. Now let's talk about the software. The Onyx Boox Air 3C runs on Android, giving you access to the Google Play Store for downloading apps. This opens up a world of possibilities beyond just reading and note-taking. Whether you want to stream videos, play games, or use productivity apps, the Air 3C has you covered. Now, one area where the Air 3C falls short is in battery life. Compared to traditional e-readers like the Kindle, the battery life here is relatively poor. You're looking at around 6 to 11 hours of usage depending on your settings and usage habits. It's not terrible, but definitely something to keep in mind if you're used to weeks of battery life with other e-readers. So, should you buy the Onyx Boox Air 3C? Well, if you're looking for a versatile and open-feeling e-reader and note-taking tablet with a color screen, then absolutely. It may not have the same battery life as some of its competitors, but its features and capabilities more than make up for it. And that's a wrap for our review of the Onyx Boox Air 3C. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.